Hi lovies, welcome back to my kitchen. This is Motola Olowo Shibi, and today I'll be making KFC spicy fried chicken. So let's enjoy this video together. We need to marinate the chicken, and these are ingredients: salt, chicken spice, thyme, curry and rosemary, some black pepper, some turmeric and ketchup, or if you have tomato sauce. Then all you need to do next is add 2 teaspoons of any oil you have, maybe coconut oil or any oil of your choice, cooking oil of your choice. Then you mix all together. You can also add any sauce you have around, either soya sauce, almond sauce, or any sauce you can lay your hands on for better taste. I'm telling you, this tastes amazing. So the sweetness of this marinating your chicken is when you can leave it in your freezer for at least 10 minutes to up to a day. This chicken I'm marinating, I left it in the freezer from evening till the next day, and this will help all your seasoning to go just inside the chicken, and it tastes so awesomely well. But if you need to get this done faster, you can as well leave it for 10, 15 or 30 minutes, and it will also have a better taste. So this is our meat is going into the fridge, and this is the second day out of the fridge, and all is well marinated. Now for coating, add 1 cup of flour or multi-purpose flour. Then you add 1/4 cup of corn flour also. Then you add 1 teaspoon of pepper, chili pepper, then 1 teaspoon of salt, and you mix together. That is what we'll be using to coat this chicken. And in this recipe, as you have seen on the thumbnail, we won't be using egg nor milk, but this is just simple recipe and it tastes amazing. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, you are so welcome. Please consider subscribing so you can get updates from this channel. Now you're going to be coating your chicken with the flour. And please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to drop your comments down there at the comment section. Then also you can also request for any video of your choice. Then you dip this in a clean water. Then you return it back into the flour and coat it once again. Then you set it aside. That is all we'll be doing to other as well. So to all my subscribers, existing subscribers, you know I love you so much. I celebrate you. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for always giving me a big thumbs up. It's a source of encouragement. Thank you for dropping your comment down there at the comment section. You are wonderful. And don't forget to request for any video. If you want me to film any video of your choice, I'll surely film it just for you. So you continue same process till you finish coating all the chicken. You can as well add garlic and ginger powder to your coating depending on your taste. You can even add turmeric depending on what you want and depending on your taste. I've added turmeric to what I use in marinating it. While coating the meat, you should prepare your oil. Turn on your gas and make sure that your oil is very hot, and fry till golden brown. I will leave you to enjoy the rest of this video and see you in my next video. Ciao!